Hey Cheryl and ARP Roofing, my name is Keaton with Disio Media right here in Texas. I first want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and giving me the opportunity to send it over to you. So I'm going to get right into it because I try to keep these videos as short as possible with a lot of information. But what we're talking about is ranking on Google for buyer intent keywords there in the San Antonio area for roofing. So I'm doing a little site audit on your ARP roofing, and then I'm going to compare it with two competitors that are doing a good job on ranking already. So what that does and how they're generating that business. So right into it. Ranking factors when it comes to your website. Content is king, so content with photos, your videos, your titling, your text, everything that goes onto your website. As long as you're helpful, informative, and providing that service to those customers looking for it, Google's going to start rewarding you and ranking up on there. So content is always king. But another one worth mentioning right now is backlinks. So having a powerful backlinking profile along with the right content is going to see you start ranking on Google and generating that business instead of your competitors. So let's get right into it. Looking at your website, again, y'all have got some good photos. Saving these photos as your buyer intent keywords is going to help register on Google what you're trying to rank for as well. But you've got some good content. I see you've got a video right here, which everyone loves video. Nobody likes to feel like they're reading a terms of service. So videos is a really good way to get in front of your audience, captivate them, engage them, and more or less, build that rapport to generate those leads. So getting right into it, let's look at Ahrefs. This is a tool I like to use to just get an idea and an overview of the area and what's going on. I do have your website right here, and I just put in your backlink or back page of San Antonio roofing contractor. And so we're just going to check that out real quick. It's telling us how many backlinks you have, how many referring domains you have, and the organic keywords you're ranking for. And there's your monthly traffic without paying for ads. So about 16 visits the past month for these buyer intent keywords organically. So let's check them out. What are you ranking for? Roofing contractor, San Antonio, Texas. The volume is telling us that 450 people search this keyword per month. 23 KD means it's not too difficult to rank for, but there is some competition, so it will take a little bit of time. Resources, cost per click. So on average, you're going to spend about 25 bucks if you're doing ad spend for putting that ad up for roofing contractor San Antonio, Texas. So if someone clicked on that ad, you'd give Google about 25 bucks. So looking at it, it shows us your position or where you're ranking at, and then also your traffic. So about 5 people in 1 month visited your website for this one buyer intent keyword. But let's check out these other two competitors that you've got here. Elite Roofing Solutions is doing a good job on ranking for buyer intent keywords. We're going to do the same thing, and we're going to look at Ahrefs on theirs. We did a site explorer, and we've got their back pages for Roofing San Antonio. So checking them out, Roofing Repairs San Antonio, Texas is another big buyer intent keyword. Volume of 300, KD or keyword difficulty of 24, and then we're going to spend about $20 per click on this bad boy. So they're ranked number 1, and they got 110 people visit their website in 1 month. And again, this isn't just normal website visits. This is people actively looking for roof repairs in San Antonio. So getting in front of them, guiding them to your website is the whole idea, and ranking up at top is going to make that happen. 110 people in 1 month is pretty good for one buyer intent keyword. Let's just keep moving along. Let's check out Titan Roofing real quick. Same thing. Content is key. So this is a very, captivating video right at the front. If I'm looking for roofing service, I know I'm in the right place. It says San Antonio, roofing experts up here. So they did a good job on this landing page on captivating the audience, kind of engaging them, and then you got your click to calls and everything. So let's check out theirs as well. So let's look at the overview. We got the backlinks, we got the referring domains, we got the organic keywords right here, and we got their organic traffic. So they had over 880 people visited their website in 1 month without paying for ads, and it's all with these buyer intent keywords they're ranking for. Now let's check those out because they're ranking number 1 for Roofing San Antonio. So 500 people per month search that keyword. We got a 34 out of 100 scale of difficulty to rank for. And again, if you're doing ad spend, you're going to spend about $20 per click for that keyword. And look what that #1 position is doing for them. They're getting almost 130 people to their website per month. And again, this is people that are typing in roofing San Antonio into Google. They're actively searching for those services in that area. And so that's the main thing, to generate that traffic and bring them into your website, is getting these keywords. We talked about how important backlinks are to ranking. And so what I usually do when I'm working on a client's website in an area, if someone is utilizing these backlinks and it's ranking their website, it's going to rank your website as well. So I do a little bit of back engineering, and we can just come in here, check out their referring domains. We see that mod7.com is one of the referring domains, and we can see over here that they have 650 backlinks from one referring domain. So not all links are created equal. There's good links, there's bad links, but which ones are going to be worth it to help you rank? You just kind of filter them out. We can even break it down even further and check out every single individual backlink. And again, it's just which ones are going to be beneficial to what you're trying to do. Is it just roofing in San Antonio? Let's be specific on that, and let's really double down on that and find those links that are going to help your website. So one more thing that's worth mentioning, we've been talking about how to rank your website, but another thing is ranking your GMB. Your GMB, Google My Business, is that map listing. So when people search roofing San Antonio, you're going to have a map pack. You're going to have 3 listings on that map pack, and then below that is going to be your organic website listing. So if I'm searching roofing San Antonio, Google gives me the results page. You have that map pack and you have those websites. If I see your listing right there and I see your website right below it, you're going to generate a lot of traffic and a lot of leads just from organically ranking on that. The main big thing is your website's going to help get to those top 3 spots on that map pack, but also local citations. So a local citation is how many times does Google find your company name, phone number, and address across the World Wide Web. So they're going to crawl across and ding on every single time they see your company name. That's on Yellow Pages, Yelp, Thumbtack, even Home Advisor. I would never advise someone to pay for their leads, but utilizing their directory to verify to Google that you're a legit business in the area is going to help get on that map pack as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. You'll see my contact info on the bottom of the email. And stay safe out there, and we'll talk soon.